freelancer just built a thriving business walking other people's dogs. No coding, no team, just Sketchflow in 5 minutes. I'm going to rebuild his exact website right now and show you every feature that's making him money. All right, here's the business. Professional dog walk-in service. Jonathan's a freelancer with a flexible schedule. Neighbors kept asking him to walk their dogs. He started charging, but bookings were chaos. Random texts at 11 p.m. asking, "Can you walk Max tomorrow?" He needed a real booking system. Here's what he built. One prompt into Sketchflow. Build a dog walking service app, enter. 30 seconds, workflows mapped out. Homepage, services, check availability, book a walk, upload dog info, pay, confirmation, clean flow. Generate the app. Look, walker profile page, Jonathan's photo with his 3 dogs, bio about his experience, contact information, builds trust immediately, services page, clear pricing, 15 minds walk 15 and 30-minute walk 25, 60-minute walk 45. Simple. Here's the killer feature, availability calendar with time slots. Midday 12, 2:30 p.m., afternoon from 3:05 p.m. Customers see what's actually open, no guessing. Booking form. Customer selects walk duration, picks available date and time slot. Then, dog information form. Dog's name, breed, age, size, temperament, any special feeding or medication instructions. Auto-generated FAQs. Do you offer group walks or only solo walks? What if my dog is extremely anxious or reactive? What happens if the weather is terrible? Customer pays for the walk right here, Stripe connected. Confirmation page with booking details. Auto email sent. Your walk is scheduled for Tuesday, 8 a.m. See you then. Complete automated booking system. Need changes? Just ask. Add a section showing the walking routes with a neighborhood map. Added. Map section generated. Done. So what happened after launch? In the beginning, it was just a few walks here and there. Then regular clients started booking weekly. Before long, the schedule was fully packed. So full they had to stop taking new requests. Real money from walking dogs, website built in 5 minutes. You probably have something people would pay for. Dog walking, lawn care, tutoring, house cleaning, whatever. The technical barrier is gone. Sketchflow builds it in minutes. The only question is, will you actually do it? Build your side business today. See you in the next one.